So I really kind of love lentils for breakfast, which is maybe not someone's first choice, but they cook up really fast because I'm using red lentils, which despite their name, despite their initial appearance, turn yellow when you cook them. Lentils are kind of the perfect food because they give you really slow burning energy because they're super high in protein, super high in fiber, but they're also very high in iron, which is really important to help keep oxygen roaming through your bloodstream and keep you energized. And just for good measure, I'm gonna throw an egg on there too. I'm going with peanut oil this morning. Gonna really enhance the flavor of the lentils. Some garlic. The major philosophical question, how many onions do I want in my breakfast this morning? Lentils have such a nice, rich, earthy flavor. These take no time at all to cook. This is totally doable in the morning. So this is garam masala. As soon as you open the jar, it smells so good. It's got cumin, coriander, and then what we normally think of as like sweet spices, like cinnamon, so it's just this incredible balance. Some hot smoked paprika. This is really gonna punch it up. So put as little or as much as you dare. Let's cook this baby up with some veggie stock. Again, just a little bit more to bring those flavors together. See, they totally don't look red at all. A little bit of spinach. Beautiful. Something kind of just lovely about a poached egg over a bed of lentils. Be so gentle. Give the water a big swirl. Try and get it going as fast as you can. This is such an awesome way to start the morning. Maybe a little hot sauce. Be so careful. I think I'm gonna wanna top this with just a little cilantro. This looks so crazy good. Get to the office, my coworkers are dragging. I'm gonna be feeling pretty darn good. It's just so creamy and so savory and so hearty. The balance of all of the flavors. It'll take me all the way to lunch, no problem.